Rightio, this is the last section. Okay, now it's assembled, but what I have to show you is that to get this board back in, you will need to take this board off, take the two screws out, leave this ribbon off. Be careful and get that ribbon off too. That's your speaker plugs. Another plug there. So what I've decided to do, because the old plug here must have something to do with cancelling the sound out of the external speaker, but I could be wrong. So all I've decided to do is run the two wires to the new headphone jack and disconnect the speaker, the external speaker. That way your batteries will last a bit longer. Okay, I think that's all I want to tell yous. Yes, you can't assemble this top motherboard and the bottom motherboard individually. You need to join them together, put them together, and then fit it in and bring it forward so it engages in the slots down here, and put it all back together. Okay, thank you for watching. Good luck.